Hey, hi, I'm good. What about you?
Have you watched the movie of The Notebook?
No, I have a lots of work to do. I have lots of assignments. I don't have any time to watch the movie now.
It's a great movie.
Yeah, I heard that it's a great movie, but I'll just planning to watch it tonight.
Yeah, okay.
How are you,
Goodbye.
bro?
Hey Aditya.
How are you?
Hey, I am good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good.
Have you watched the movie Notebook?
Yeah,
Which-
I watched 2 days earlier, little bit. It's been good. All about love, sex.
And like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then-
Did you remember that ma'am has given to watch it in
I
one of her
remember
assignments?
little bit the story. There is one guy who's live in city. He comes to the village to spend some vacation. Then he just find a girl, and but the girl they just want to spend the time together in the vacation, and they just the guy want to get close to the girl, and they are getting closer, but her family don't want the girl family. They just want to the marry to him, but the girl family, the girl's family told him, you are not here to be marry her. You just here for the vacation. So be back at the vacation, and after that the girl went back to their home, but the guy still loves him. So he just want to. So he just wrote the letters to the girls every day. The girl went to the higher studies to the another country. So after that, the guy wrote the letters.
Hey, you are joking. You have seen all the movie and you are
No,
saying
no, no,
you
no.
haven't
Just
seen.
little bit. I forget the story.
Guys,
Hey,
how are you?
Hi, I am good. Anurag.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, we are just planning to watch the movie. Did you remember ma'am has given the
I
assignment?
know. I didn't complete my assignment. Also, the video review, the movie.
Yeah,
review.
we
But
have.
yeah, someone told me that movie is very good. I have to watch
Yeah.
it.
Little bit good.
Did you watch or not?
Yeah, we are just planning to watch it right now.
Okay,
So
then
you want to
watch
join us?
together.
Yeah, we can watch
will
it
be
together.
fun
Na?
together.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that movie is love story. That's why.
Yeah.
And some sex
That-
scenes.
Yeah.
Just watch out. Come on.
It's a content
gonna
some
be so
sex.
romantic.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Romantic.
So
Let's watch now.
Let's.
The climate is also romantic.
Yeah.
Okay, we can watch it together, na? No
Hi
problem.
guys,
Hey, hi, Bhavika.
what are you doing?
Yeah, we are just
planning to watch movie.
Which
Yeah.
movie?
The Notebook.
Oh, that one which Ma'am Buscato gave us.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. I have watched the movie.
Oh, you watched the movie?
Yeah, exactly. Yesterday night only I watched the movie.
Oh,
You
great.
didn't watch it?
No, we are just planning to watch it right now.
Okay. Can I tell you the story?
No.
No.
Arey, I will just tell you the story. Then you can watch if you have the need to watch
Okay,
it.
little bit. So
Okay,
if you have
she
interest
can
in
tell
it.
the story, na?
Okay.
So,
After we
First bring me some chips and then only I will tell you.
later,
Come on, go.
No, give me drinks. Bring me drinks.
no, if you are making us fool, then
Yeah.
No, I'm not
I
making
also
you
know.
fool. I have watched the movie yesterday only.
No.
We
I
can't
also know the
trust you.
story.
we can't trust
Then
you,
just
na?
go to hell if you can't trust me.
No.
First you tell the
Just
story.
tell her. I also know the story. I will find the truth.
Okay. So the story is, I think, the story is written by Nicholas Sparks, and the movie was made in 2004. Actually, it's a kind of love story in which the main two characters are Noah and Ellie. Noah falls in love with Ellie when she is in the swings and she's in the roller coaster ride. And then after that, Noah went to Ellie and asked her to go out with her, but Ellie denied going out with him. And then he said why. Then she said it's my wish whether I have to go or not. And then in the next scene, when Ellie was in the swings, then Noah just climbed the swing and stand over there, hung him up over there, and then he asked that, are you coming with me or not? Otherwise I'll fall myself down. Then Ellie told that yes, okay, I will come with you. Then they guys both went on the date, and after that, in night they just led themselves on the roads, and they were doing some kind of adventure. Days passed by because Ellie was there on the vacations, and after that, when one day Noah and Ellie went out, then they came very late in night, and suddenly, actually by coincidence, Ellie's dad was awake at that time. So Ellie's dad called Noah into his house, and then he asked certain things about him, and then he said that, what about you? also wanted to leave. So before leaving, Noah went to Ellie and told her that I'm not a good guy. I don't deserve you. Your auditions are very high, and I can't afford you. Then Ellie told. Then Ellie went to Noah's friend and told him that just tell to Noah I love him very much, whether he stays with me or not. Then suddenly they both get separated, and Noah used to write all the letters for 1 year each and every day. But Ellie couldn't receive the letters because Ellie's mother took all the letters when Noah used to send. And after that, on a day, after years, they went. Noah went to New York, and there he saw Ellie. She was kissing another guy, and which he later came to know that he was his fiancé. And Noah at that time has built a very good house, which Ellie wanted. And then one day he posted a photograph of the house. He was standing in front of the house, and then he gave the advertisement in the newspaper of that house. And then Ellie saw that, and Ellie didn't saw that. She was just trying her wedding gown because she was getting married to her fiancé. And then suddenly her friend came and make her saw that he is your ex-boyfriend and he has built up the house. Then Ellie decided to go and meet him. And when she met him, all their misunderstandings were cleared. And then Ellie's mother was saying her that this happens with everyone. It happened with me also, that you fall in love with first guy and you cannot marry every time everyone. So what happens is written in your destiny. You cannot find your destiny yourself. And then Ellie was shouting on her mom that you cheated me, you didn't give me all those letters which Noah sent me and all. So Ellie's mother gave her all the letters, and while going to Ellie's mother told her that it depends on you whom you choose, either your fiancé or Noah, because he has left you and your fiancé will stay with you. He is rich, he can afford you, and he can give you all the happiness which you want in life. And then Ellie, while going into the hotel, she read one letter given by Noah, and she felt out of tears, and she realized that Noah has done a lot of things for him and he has waited for her. So it's her time to go back to him. And when she went to him, they married, they led a very happy life. Then suddenly when Ellie was 60 around, then she lost her memory for more than 6 or 7 months. She was suffering from Alzheimer's, and which disease was continued by dementia. And then when
I will explain about it. I also
You also watch it?
yeah.
When?
Today only, today morning, 3 o'clock.
Oh, so you remember?
So your opinion is different.
Yeah, I will tell about the dementia.
okay, sit.
Actually, when she returned back to her boyfriend's house, they do romance, they do kiss, they do many erotic type of romance also. And after that, they get married. After many hours of, after two years of marriage, they also have children. After that, when they turned old, then the heroine of movie suffered with dementia disorder. Means she forgot everything. It is due to the Alzheimer's. It occurs 60-70% it occurs due to Alzheimer's only.
What is Alzheimer's?
In Alzheimer's, a person forgets everything.
What are you saying? What are
We are
you
talking about Alzheimer's.
You carry on about that.
Telling about the
You said
notebook.
no, where are you going?
You are thinking about the notebook.
Yeah.
You know that this is dementia.
Yeah.
Yeah, dementia is nothing but it is a past event remember things. If any past events is getting there, that the guy within the dementia he will forgot all the things, and she let it not be know. The thing is the same in the notebook also. The girl the forgetting all the past events, and she even forgot also her lover also. That is the about the dementia, and something let my friend know about the dementia. Right?
Hi guys.
We can know the dementia full about the
As Alex said, dementia is a disease which he could not recall the past events. Due to this dementia disease, finally both Ali and Nora they fall in bed and both of them will die.
Hi, you are back from your home.
Yeah,
When?
just now.
Okay, what did you bought for us?
Oh yeah.
I saw that you had a very big luggage. What did you bought for us?
Olive oil.
Clothes.
Okay.
Girl clothes if you guys wanna wear.
No, but we want something to eat. Snacks. Indian snacks.
Something.
Okay. So, how was your journey?
पिक्चर के लिए पूछो
Did you watch me the notebook?
Yeah, I watched.
So, what did you find in that?
I learned that love is enough to face any. I heard that love is enough to face anything, and in the example of Eli and Noah, they had faced many hardship, and because like their parents did not agree to it initially, and Eli kind of moved on by falling in love with someone else, and it got close to marriage because she even he proposed to her, and but then one day she saw Noah's picture on the newspaper, which caused her to go back to Noah and restart the whole love story. And even when they died, they both were like together. So that's a positive note that no matter what, love will always win. That's what I learned.
I think that this
No matter
movie-
how hard it is, it
Love
will
always
win if two people are strong.
And by love, she
Yeah.
also recovered from her disease.
Yeah.
This movie is so romantic.
this movie has got 8 awards, winning awards, and then on Satellite Awards also this movie had been.
Oh, he has earned a lot after publishing this movie, right?
Yeah.
Now, get me the chips and all. I have told you all the stories.
Yeah, we will go to McD na.
Okay. Who is giving the party?
She come from
Bless
Abu
you.
Dhabi.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.